Welcome to this explainer. There's a massive, rapid shift happening right now in how we search online.
Honestly, people are ditching traditional search engines. They're just asking AI assistants their questions directly instead.
Let's dive in. Users aren't typing clunky keywords anymore. They're asking full, natural, conversational questions. Instead of vague searches, your potential customers are literally asking AI to recommend the absolute best professionals.
So, the million-dollar question on everyone's mind is, how do you get ChatGPT to recommend your business?
First off, let's bust a big myth. There's absolutely no secret button or paid hack for this.
The real secret? Your business needs to be genuinely visible, undeniably trustworthy, and crystal clear online. Forget the gimmicks. Just follow this simple 5-step blueprint to master AI-driven search and get recommended. Step 1. Stop being vague. Clearly explain exactly who you are, what you offer, and who you help.
Step 2. Stop the constant self-promotion. Start genuinely educating your audience with blogs, videos, and helpful FAQs.
Step 3. Build rock-solid trust online. Show off those testimonials, case studies, and clear contact info everywhere. Step 4. Organize your site well. Use clean headings, bullet points, and schema markup so AI understands you. Step 5. Build your presence everywhere. Keep your info perfectly consistent across your site, LinkedIn, YouTube, and directories.
Ultimately, we're seeing a massive paradigm shift. We're moving from traditional search engines to conversational answer engines.
Welcome to the totally new era of search. Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO for short.
If you consistently share real value and build genuine trust, AI assistants will naturally discover you.
Seriously, stop trying to hack the algorithm. Optimize your business to be the absolute most trusted source.
The future of search is already here. So, will you evolve into your industry's most trusted answer?